The Outer Banks, a special place only a small percentage of people in the world get to call home. I'm one of those lucky people, and the things I get to experience and learn are beyond a blessing. The Outer Banks is home to a class of working men who we call our watermen. We have an array of charter fishermen along with our commercial industry. If you know anything about the fishing lifestyle and how special it is, you get to see some of God's most beautiful creations, and you get to share that with the ones you're out there with. In some cases, it's the family business, and family means everything. The commercial industry is dying in the eyes of almost all the fishermen, so people claim.
It's less of a claim and more of a fact. Just because of the simple sense of you can't fish, not much is open anymore. Like right now, I'm recreationally fishing for a striped bass, or a rock fish, as we call them. There are hundreds of thousands of pounds of fish swimming around in this sound at this exact moment, and you can't fish for them recreationally even, or commercially, because of stock assessments and lobbyists, and it's a lot of politics involved. But because of that simple fact, you just can't work. You can't work, you can't make money. You can't make money, you can't do it. So it's a dying industry. Our flounder season the past 2-3 years has been 15 days long, 20 days long. Gillnet, it was a 3-day season. You can't call it an industry if you can't go and work. If you can't work, it's a dying industry. That's it.
There's many fishermen and families who depend on these fishing seasons to make the money they need to live. It's in their blood, and it's what they do, and it's who they are. You can't take that away from them, so don't shut the door on them.
Hey guys, my name is Benji Rippins. I'm a 4th generation commercial fisherman, I think, maybe 5. Not real sure about that. Mullet net, aka gill net, aka 139, 4-inch, triple knot, double, I don't know, it's something, it's double or triple knot. About 500-600 yards.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through okay, 'cause I found my way.
See people out here struggling every day to live out here, but
'Cause I found my way.
something special about it. Don't know what it is. If you could capture it into a little bottle and disperse it to people, many times over, but it's just great to be out here. Look at it out there. Look at it. I don't know, something about it.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way.